Great, my Miata, here's what happened. Me and Jay rolled out, and I rolled out real hard. Performance driving.
I just been in this place before. Higher on the street, and I know it's my time to go. Going new, and the search is a mystery. Standing on my feet, it's so hard when I'm trying to be me. Whoa, deja vu. I just been in this time before. Higher on the beat, and I know it's a place to go. Going new, and the search is a mystery. Take my breath away.
So here's what happened.
Oh, sorry.
I put on the Top Gun playlist.
Because
Kenny Loggins is on.
I asked.
Bum, and I come around the Conquest.
Which, like, is impossible.
Yeah.
But I let him go.
Yeah,
Because, you know.
I mean, it has 2 injectors, so. So I come around the Conquest, I was inverted. And I'm in the Miata, I'm in 2nd gear, right? I shift to 3rd gear, pretty crazy. 4th gear, I'm cruising now, pass a truck. Oh shit, corner, 3rd, 2nd, little too soon on the 2nd. Pop! Heard the belt hit the ground, just threw my belt. Great. I look at the water pump, or the temp, and it's just slowly, very slowly, just creeping up. And by the time that we were reaching, that we were turning in here, it just tickling the anus of the H, the high side. So I pulled in here. I was like, need to go to auto parts store ASAP. Lovely gentleman. We took the Conquest and bounced off the misfire implemented red line of no heavy, no second injector.
It's there sometimes.
Went into the store, got 2 belts in case it has it again. So now I have 3 belts because the belt I bought yesterday is actually the right one. It was just impressively short because it was so the system was so fucked. Yeah, impressively short. And threw it on. The alternator was missing the bottom bracket, so it was just kind of hanging around. So there was absolutely 0 tension. So I borrowed a bolt from the intake manifold bracket, which is a cool thing to have because you need support to your intake manifold. Took one of those, installed that sucker, and everything is really fantastic. It was raining, so I half-assed the top up, and we're gonna go send it tonight. Here we are. The only other modification I made today throughout the rally, I replaced my heater coolant bypass hose, which is a bullshit thing to have on a vehicle, as well as I had to retape one of my headlights so that I can have headlights.
I don't know if
Take my breath away.
what's interesting. This is actually very
Dude, Jay, we have to.